Kwa nini mnaacha mama anaangusha mtoto chini wakati mnakunywa chai?
Ni video ina thithi na ya kumakania. Mutumia aronekana akiheo mwana na kigiriko kiigima arithi thimiti-ini thibitari-ini ya Shalom-Athi River guku Atungati arwaru mamwiroreire matekumutangikira uria kwagiriire.
As a team that there were issues of negligence within the institution.
Kurumirira video ino Atungati eri arwaru Nenda-ini na John Ndege nimanyitirwo ngono. Kurerekana ati Nenda-ini akoretwo akiruta wira wa utungati wa arwaru atari na marua.
Hospital is being held responsible for employing professionals who are actually unlicensed in professional positions that require training and licensure by the respective bodies. The hospital has inappropriate or inadequate standard operating procedures, and even those that exist are not being properly enforced.
Arugamiriri a mbondi ya kuramata arigitani guku bururi-ini KMPDB nimaikitio thibitari-ini ino na gukumithia giko kiu guku makiuga nimekugathika mitaratara ya guthurima kana thibitari ino ni ikinyaniria ikiro cia kuheana motungata ma arigitani no hukurora kana aruti wira thibitari-ini ino mena marua maria magiriire makuruta wira thibitari-ini.
The team before you is going to do is that it's going to hold a clinical audit to be able to fully establish the extent of the gaps within the institution, to be able to advise appropriately. The hospital is strongly reprimanded for the incident that happened. In addition, the clinical audit will make recommendations for which the hospital will be given 30 days to comply, failure to which then the board will be forced to withdraw its license.
Mwena-ini wake Mutumia ucio augete ena marakara ni undu wa mundu uria uroire video na kumitambia nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria atari na rutha rwake.
Nimehisi vibaya. Kwanza yeye ndiye anafaa kustakiwa. Alifanya hiyo yote. Kwanza mimi nilikuwa nadhani ni daktari. Nikakuja kujua si daktari. Hivyo amenikosea tena sana.
Kwa ihinda riri mutumia uyu ni arathi na mbere na kwamukira urigitani hamwe na mwana wake thibitari-ini ya Shalom thengia bodi ya KMPDB kumenereria thibitari ino. Wa Meta Inooro TV.